Here are your instructions for part 5 of the Human Geography 9A final project. This is to work with the Human Development Index, right? So you are going to compare the HDI of the country that you have chosen to the United States and to other developing countries in your region. And you're going to use this website right here to do so. All right, when you're done with that, you're going to create a one-paragraph summary, briefly explain your findings. You're going to use your statistics, right? How does it compare to the US? How does it compare to similar countries in the region? So let's take a quick look. First thing we want to do is pick our countries. So yes, we do have the United States. We do know that we have the United States earlier we have the HDI from our statistics that I've given you, and you have found the HDI for your country. So you need to find two other statistics, and those would be the HDI from two countries in your region. So let's pick our countries. So my sample country was Ireland, and so I need to find two countries that are relatively close to Ireland. I'm going to choose the United Kingdom, and then I'm going to choose Iceland. I could have chosen France or Germany or Belgium or the Netherlands. Those would all work. They would all be relatively close to that. So I'm going to choose the United Kingdom, and I'm going to choose Iceland, and I'm going to find the HDIs for those using the website from the instructions. This is the United Nations Development Program Human Development things. Okay, here is a pro tip for you. You can look, and if you go to your country, so I can see Ireland is number 2, right? But if you go here and you're looking for your country specifically, if you hit country, that will alphabetize them. Okay, so I'm going to choose the United Kingdom, which is probably going to be closer to the bottom, and Iceland. Right, and I see that Iceland falls in at 0.949. So I'm going to jot that down. Right, and then I'm going to go to the United Kingdom, right, which is at 0.932. I've already found the United States, and I've already found my country from the country of Ireland. So I have written the United Kingdoms and Iceland's down, and now I will plug them into my project. All right, so I am going to create a list. That was my task, and I did that in descending order from highest HDI to lowest HDI. So I see Ireland at number 2, Iceland at number 4, the United Kingdom at number 13, and the United States clocking in at number 17 with an HDI of 0.926. So I plugged those in. This is my list right here. I've added a graphic of the HDI. It is entirely up to you if you want to do so. I would recommend it because it makes your project look a little bit more professional, a little bit better put together. So there I need an explanation slide. That is the second part of this task. So I have created an explanation slide where I said Ireland is currently tied with Switzerland at number 2 for the highest HDI in the world at 0.9555. It is second only to Norway. Two of its closest neighbors, Iceland and the United Kingdom, are both very close. Compared to the United States, Ireland and its neighbors enjoy a higher standard of living, although it's important to note that the countries with the highest HDIs are statistically separated by very little margins. In other words, once you get up to the very tip top of the development index, the difference between a 0.955 and a 0.92 is there, but not necessarily statistically super different. Right? I've also included a graphic on the HDI, which includes the 3 statistics there: life expectancy at birth, average age of income, standard of living, GNP per capita, and those are the things that go into that. So those are your instructions. Again, I've put graphics in there. You do not have to, but it will make your project look better if you do. All right, good luck, get after it. Bye-bye.